Swing into real estate success. Master the art of hopping properties like Spider-Man. Join us as we unveil proven strategies that will turn properties into gold mines and pave your way to financial freedom.
Challenges in real estate are going to be tied to the economy.
Enter a world where properties become your greatest assets, transforming your investments into a future of opulence and abundance. Buckle up, my friend, as we embark on a hilarious journey through 5 proven strategies that'll turn you into a real estate rock star. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned investor, these tips will have you laughing all the way to the bank. Let's dive into the multiverse of madness for being a worthy realtor.
Now, shall we begin?
Owning real estate can be super lucrative, but it also comes with risks like landlord-tenant dramas and contract fiascos.
Sometimes it doesn't just work.
So grab your funny bone and let's unlock the secret to real estate riches. It's time to upgrade your financial status from living paycheck to paycheck to making it rain in real estate.
Why, Dada? Why?
This is business.
Know your why. Now you may ask, why do you need to know your why in real estate? Because if you don't, the only thing scarier than a haunted house is opening up your bank account after buying it. Number 1, financial discipline. Discipline is vital for real estate wealth creation. It involves prudent spending, careful investment evaluation, and smart financial leverage. Conduct thorough due diligence, assess long-term prospects, and avoid high-risk ventures to minimize losses and maximize returns. Imagine you're a financial ninja, gracefully dodging the tempting short-term money traps with your lightning-fast reflexes. You've built such a formidable fortress of savings that even Godzilla would be envious. And when the market presents you with a golden opportunity, you pounce on it like a hungry cheetah. With your strategic fund allocations, your portfolio is as diverse as a buffet spread at an intergalactic food convention. The power of compounding is your secret weapon, turning your wealth into a rocket ship of growth. Market fluctuations and unexpected expenses try to shake you, but you stay as steady as a Zen master on a meditation cushion. Armed with knowledge and quick decision-making skills, you make financial choices like a boss. Your solid financial foundation is like a skyscraper, ready to expand and conquer the investment world. Saving and reinvesting are your superpowers ingrained in your DNA. Your ultimate mission? To create sustainable wealth and bask in the glorious glow of long-term prosperity in the realm of real estate. Number 2, maximizing leverages.
Greed is good.
Leverage, the secret sauce that turns your investments into cash-generating monsters. Imagine you've set your sights on a fantastic property worth $100,000. You've got your eye on it, but your pockets aren't overflowing with cash. No worries. That's where leverage comes in. You approach a lender, let's call them Money Masters Bank, and they agree to provide financing for your investment. After evaluating the property's value and potential rental income, Money Masters Bank decides to loan you 75% of the purchase price, which amounts to $75,000. They're willing to back your real estate dreams. Now, here's the fun part. You only need to bring in 25% of the purchase price from your own funds. That means you'll be using $25,000 of your own capital. It's like having a magic genie grant you 3/4 of the property's value. So, armed with Money Masters Bank loan, you secure the property for $100,000. And guess what? You only had to put in $25,000 of your own money. It's like winning the lottery, but instead of cashing in a winning ticket, you're cashing in on leverage. Fast forward a few years and your property has appreciated in value to $150,000. Cha-ching! You've made a profit of $50,000. But here's the real kicker. Your return on investment isn't based on the $25,000 you put in. It's based on the entire property value. So your return is a whopping $50,000 on a $100,000 property value increase. Talk about making your money work for you. By leveraging the lender's funds, you've multiplied your potential profits. It's like getting a massive return on investment without breaking a sweat. But hey, don't let the excitement fog your common sense. Maximizing leverage in real estate investing can be like walking a tightrope while juggling flaming torches. It's risky business. The cons of going all in on leverage include increased risk, high interest expenses, limited flexibility, financing constraints, stress on cash flow, limited room for market changes, and personal liability. It's like a roller coaster ride with potential financial pitfalls at every turn. So before you strap on that leverage rocket, make sure you're prepared to handle the heat and keep your balance in check. It's all about finding that sweet spot between risk and reward in the wild world of real estate. Number 3, plan your tax strategy. Taxes. Not exactly the most exciting topic, but in the world of real estate, they hold the key to more money in your pocket. You see, real estate investing comes with some fantastic tax advantages, but there's a catch. You need to set things up correctly from the beginning to reap the benefits. Now, here's the fascinating part. The US tax code has specific provisions designed to incentivize real estate development and investing. Depreciation. The tax code gives real estate investors a friendly pat on the back for the wear and tear their properties endure over time. It's like a gentle tax break that acknowledges their aging gracefully. 1031 exchange. Bid farewell to capital gains taxes. Selling a property and quickly reinvesting the proceeds in a similar one becomes a tax magician's trick that keeps the tax collector away and lets you build your real estate empire without interruption. Mortgage interest deduction. Uncle Sam knows the importance of homeownership and real estate investment. By deducting the interest you pay on your mortgage, you're rewarded with a smaller tax bill and more financial wiggle room. Capital gains tax treatment. Long-term real estate investors get a special treat for their patience. Hold onto a property for over a year and you'll savor lower tax rates on the profits when you sell. It's like a sweet reward for your investment savvy. Opportunity zones. Invest in struggling areas and reap tax benefits as your silver lining. The tax codes creates opportunity zones where you can enjoy temporary tax deferral and potential reductions on capital gains. It's an opportunity to make a positive impact and save on taxes. Low-income housing tax credit, or the LIHTC. Be a hero in your community and score tax benefits. Invest in affordable rental housing and claim tax credits over a decade. It's a win-win deal that addresses the need for housing while lightening your tax load. Real estate professional status. If real estate is your passion and full-time gig, the tax code cheers you on with special perks. Meet the criteria, and you can deduct losses from your real estate ventures against other income, regardless of passive income limits. It's a nod to your dedication. Section 179 deduction. Skip the long waiting game. The tax code allows you to instantly deduct costs for your property improvements like HVAC systems, roofs, and security systems. It's a shortcut to keeping your property modern while enjoying immediate tax advantages. Remember, tax laws can be complex, so it's wise to consult with a tax professional to ensure you navigate these provisions correctly and make the most of your real estate investments within the law's boundaries. Or else. FBI! Number 4, plan your legal strategy. Spot the risks. Think of it like playing detective. Identify those potential legal risks in the real estate world. Property disputes, lease dramas, zoning issues, and contract squabbles could all ruin your day. Stay one step ahead by knowing what could go wrong. Structure it right. Set up an LLC, partnership, or trust, whatever floats your boat, to protect yourself and optimize your sweet tax benefits. Risk? Nah, mitigate it. Get yourself some fancy insurance coverage like liability and property insurance to keep you protected. And don't forget to draft rock-solid contracts and agreements. A little bit of legal armor goes a long way. Sherlock Holmes vibes. Before diving into a property, put on your detective hat, investigate its history. Thorough research helps you make smart decisions and negotiate like a boss. Be a law-abiding citizen. Register your rental properties, keep them up to code, and play fair with tenants. Keep a paper trail. Contracts, receipts, tax papers, keep them in order. You never know when you'll need to whip out evidence to settle a dispute or prove your compliance. BFFs with your attorney. Stay in touch with your lawyer, like regular besties catching up over coffee. Number 5, know your market. Location, location, location. It's like the real estate industry's version of a broken record. But hold on, it's not just about the physical spot on the map. Knowing your market means understanding the intended purpose of your property and the type of properties you want to invest in. If you're diving into the world of apartment rentals, for example, you'll need to consider the specific needs and preferences of different groups like students, families, and seniors. Once you've narrowed down your property type, it's time to dig into the nitty-gritty. Check out transportation options, crime rates. You don't want a neighborhood that makes you sleep with one eye open. Basically, all the things that make life convenient and attractive for tenants. Oh, and let's not forget job growth. These are the important questions to ask. Jobs can make or break an area's real estate scene. You need to hit the road, literally, and experience the location for yourself and feel the vibe of the area. Is it peaceful like a spa or bustling like a beehive? Closure. Congratulations, real estate rock stars. Armed with these strategies, you're ready to conquer the market. From knowing your why to leveraging your investments, planning your taxes and legalities, and understanding your market, you're set for success. So go forth, make it rain in real estate, and turn your dreams into lucrative reality.